Subscribe GSM Guruji and press the bell icon to watch video first of all.
Hello friend, today I want to show you how to remove it, pattern lock, password, anything Realme. You see here pattern lock, how to remove it, this pattern lock. See nicely complete videos. Also please subscribe the channel, add the bell icon, never miss any video. You see here pattern lock is not open, 1 2 3 4 5 is not working. Then go to first, make it switch off. Power off. Then press volume up button and press power button. When it make it on, then leave power button. You see is on. Now I am leave it power button, then volume up button, not leave it. You see now when it's showing this option, then press power button and volume up button, then get it this option, then get it number 4, 1 2 3 4. Now is 4. Then press power button. After then again press volume down button, go to number 2 option, then again press power button. Now is wait. You have pattern lock, password, anything is now is gone. %, this job 100% is done. You see now is press again power button. His phone now is on. It's taking 3 minutes. You see now after then you are making skip option is on. Again next, then again next, then select option, then next, after then skip. Then again skip, then again next, again next, again skip, after then again next, then taking 30 seconds, after then is showing menu. This you see now the menu is showing 100% is done. Please like, share and videos.